Okay. First day on 300. Pretty good. Suspension's really soft. I knew that going in. I knew that. Especially with Fat Boy on it. That would be me. We've been very lucky with weather lately. Today's one of our first real frozen days. So the ground's quite froze. Motos are just really easy, kind of cruising. Which is fine by me. Old man slowed the pace down. There's a big railroad tie in that corner. You gotta be real careful and cut to the inside. I had to take a couple turns out of my rear shock, feeding off the preload, and with a stock spring, there's hardly any tension on it at all, so you know, without measuring it, I run quite a bit of sag where I'm comfortable. Just on the onset right away, where it was, it felt way too twitchy for me. What some guys like. I tend to make the bike turn by getting forward, where some people just sit on the back of the bike and try to use the rear brake pedal. Just preference. Man, the ground's froze. I haven't ridden a frozen ground in quite a while. There's that little kick. Pulls so much better than 250 as I almost lose the front end. My fault. God, 300 is so easy to carry more mo on than 250. Like a girl through that corner. Track's quite hammered. That's okay. Makes every other thing that you ride seem easy. My only complaint about the bike so far is there's a noise behind the headlight. Hear it? Can't see it or figure out what it is. Pretty sure it's not my brain rattling loose. I rattled that loose a long time ago. For stock, suspension's not bad. It's just too soft. I'm 15 at front and rear. Right in the middle. So, for the next mode, I'm definitely going to go in. Probably 2 to 3 clicks. I always get amazed by guys who don't want to ride a 300. But they say it's too much. Just grab another gear, dude. Stop right in the bottom end of the tower. What do you think? Go in with everything, huh? Dude, I like this thing already.
What's that?
I like this. I haven't ridden the 350 in so long.
I haven't ridden a two-stroke in forever.
I know. So it's gonna be like new again, huh? Yeah. Good. I used to love 350s and kind of still do after just like 30 seconds. Oh yeah. Maybe I just like hearing it. Brake's so different. That's used to be what I love though. 4-stroke, 2-stroke. 2-stroke, you gotta be real conscious of traction and whatnot. 4-stroke, just get on it, dude. It makes traction.